Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the blinking lights on your Amazon Fire Stick remote. So the easiest way to do this is just by resetting it. So go to your TV and your Fire Stick and disconnect those, unplug them from the wallet. Then go to your remote and press the back button, the button with the three lines in it, and the left button right here. And hold this down for 15 minutes, all three of those buttons. And count out loud 1, 2, and 3, and so on until you get to about 15. And then you can stop and go to the back of the remote and take out the batteries. Sometimes these batteries are dead and you might get like a red blinking light right here, or sometimes it's yellow or orange, and that's because it's trying to connect via Bluetooth. Then take out the batteries, plug the TV and the Fire Stick back in. Once it gets back to this home screen, place the batteries back in, your cover on, just like this. Then hold down the home button. So this home button right here, just hold this down. And this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode manually here, and it'll try to sync back up to your TV. And after about 3 or 4 minutes, if it doesn't connect, there should be a message on your TV that says no remote connected. Go ahead and just press the home button a few times and the middle dial button, and it should reconnect back up to your Fire Stick. So let's just press this a few times and then it should work. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.